Hubby, what are you doing?
What? I'm looking what I receive here.
Guys, look at our home. There's a bag here. Belt. And hubby. And my sandal. So what is that?
The glass for the screen.
Ah.
For yours and for mine.
Let me see.
Look. Voila.
And the nails. Let me see the nails. Hello. My friend, they are very scared when they saw in the video when you open the gift and then you use the same knife. And they said, wow, don't play.
Voila.
Don't use that one. Don't use the knife. Oh, wow. After a million years, you have time to open the packet.
Me?
Hala. Can you open it?
For the feet? No?
No.
The pants?
Look properly. What is that? You have to open. Ah, it's the cover of the bed. Microfiber. Don't make fun.
No, I open. Maxim. Voila.
Fitted sheet.
Now this is Maxim. Open.
Yippee, the fitted sheet came already. Yeah.
Yes.
And the other one?
The other one I think the same.
Yeah, but different color. Let's see if it's different.
No,
Oi!
it's the same.
It's the
No
same.
need to open.
Open it!
No need if it's the same.
We'll see if it's the same size. What is that you are opening? What is the name of that? AC flash? Finally.
After
What is that card?
it's a USB.
You dropped the card.
It's an yeah, it's a
A guarantee card of... Ah. Okay. And then you must try it.
you must.
So, let's see if it's working. It's a flash drive compatible for iPhone, iPad,
For iPhone is here, I think.
USB system compatible for Mac OS, Android, and Windows. Ah, okay.
And then it's here. Open.
Can you show it here? How it looks like?
Looks like this.
Ah, okay.
Like this.
Ah, wow. It's a high speed, huh?
I think 3.0. I don't know. Look that.
How many,
GB.
yeah.
128.
Oh, wow. It's a flash drive for the phone, for the Windows. Ah, it's also good for the Windows. It's also compatible with the Windows. So this is 3-in-1 multi-function USB
I think
flash
it's
drive.
1, 2, 3, 4 in one.
Is it working
Wait.
in the phone? Oh wow, it's working, huh? That's nice. It's very handy. It's very handy, huh?
Handicap. Connect there, and then you put your cable from the
Flash drive. Ah, it's a screen protector.
yeah.
Tempered glass, and the other one is for me. The other one.
This for you, yeah. I think.
And the cable, what is that for?
Cable, media cable for the car.
Ah, okay. So you have to go now to try if
Later,
it's
I
working.
take the phone, but
I'm going to change your glass now. It's because your glass is kaput. So you must change. Let's see if you can change it. So guys, Hubby is going to change his glass because he dropped it at work. Wow, it's raining. Let me see. Yes, the glass is like this. Okay. And after that, you have to dry it. Yeah. So, you will use it now. What is that? Ah. To remove the cottons, the dust. Wow. Ready.